Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the drag and drop is not working on your Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Let me just open a document from here to show you as an example. Okay, now let me show you if I'm going to drag this word small, and I'm going to drop this here. As you can see, it is not working, right? So how can we fix this issue? It's just very easy. Look at the ribbon at the top, and here you'll find the File tab. Click on that. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for More. Click on Options. Now the Word Options window will appear. Then from here, just simply click on the Advanced tab or Advanced button, and you'll find this option, Allow text to be dragged and dropped. So to fix the issue, we just have to simply enable it by checking this box and click on OK. Now let's try. If I'm going to drag this word small to here, it is now working. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.